And Vice President Ian Anthony Osmeña of SEREB.
Past National President.
Entrepreneurs build businesses. Investors realize opportunities and communities grow stronger. This strength is not found in any one board, but in unity as one family. And with a solemn promise that knowledge.
Morning!
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning!
The Business Conference is more than an annual gathering. It is a time for us to come together to learn, collaborate, and strengthen the bonds that unite us as members of the Parlo family.
So, ayan, if you are to
Dita. Dita.
Ang daming hugot nila.
Hello. Question number 11. Love is like a clean title.